What if I told you the next big online business trend is flying under the radar and it could be your ticket to time and financial freedom? While most people are chasing saturated markets and burning money on ads, there's a smarter way. I'll show you how to tap into a high repurchase product in a booming new category and build a system where entrepreneurs work with you, not for you. This isn't theory. We broke sales records with this online marketing system across Central Europe, and now we're bringing it to the UK. Same product, same system, much bigger potential. We've helped hundreds of people, from side hustlers to full-time parents, launch profitable online businesses without tech stress or big startup costs. And the best part, you don't pay me a dime until you profit. We're ready to copy-paste the exact system that worked in Europe and hand it to the first UK pioneers. If you want in, drop your name and email below to watch the free training. This is your chance to ride the wave before the masses catch on.